I'm going to show you how to make a lead magnet in 10 minutes using Claude, of course. Okay. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make a lead magnet in like 5 minutes, 5 seconds. So, you're going to need Claude Cowork. So you want to pull that up. I have my Cowork right here. And I'm going to take a piece of my content from my Substack. So let me show y'all. Let me go to Substack here. Sorry. Okay, so I'm going to go to Substack. Oh, is it going to make me sign all the way in? Let me see if I can just get it from here. Yeah, so So I have a Substack post here. It's called Why Intentional Travel Experiences Will Change the Way You Rest and Recharge. So I have it up on my screen. And what I'm going to do is give it to Claude Cowork. So Cowork can help me come up with a lead magnet. So let's see. I'm all over the place. Okay. Long day at work. All right. So the prompt is I want you to create an interactive lead magnet from the Substack post, and then I put the URL in there. It should be simple, educational, that pulls out the step-by-step process from the post in a way that is easy to follow and does not create overwhelm. Keep it clean, clear, and scannable. Use the uploaded design system. This is for my community, so the tone should feel like me, not like a generic freebie. The call to action at the end should direct people to my school community, and I'll put the URL there. So I'm going to drop the prompt here. And if you can see, I have the URL here. I don't have my design system. I'm just going to grab my brand colors or something. Let me see if I can get that real quick, or what can I grab real quick? Okay, here's the design system. I do have my design system in Claude Design, so I'll just grab that. Make it simple. So, let's see. All right, so I grabbed that. I'm gonna put this in Claude Cowork. I'm gonna change it around a little bit. So, use this visual foundation. I'm spelling that wrong. I'm just going to pop that in there. I cannot spell today. And then last thing I'm going to get is my school URL, so that that's already loaded on there. Just bear with me a second. I think I can just grab it here. Ooh, okay. So now we're cooking. Got it right here. And I'm going to just put it down here. And we're going to send it through. I am going to change it to Opus, but probably not that much effort. I mean, Sonic could probably do it, but I'm going to change it to Opus. We'll just see. I'm going to put it on medium. And we're going to send it through. And it's very quick. Like it does it really, really quick. And then I'm going to show you guys a tool that's kind of like mini chat, but I was able to get a free subscription. So it may be a little better than mini chat. So as you can see, Claude is doing its thing. It's thinking. It's first going to read the post. And you could do this with your YouTube transcripts, your, blogs. This is a blog, whatever you want. And then it's going to use its tool and create an interactive lead magnet. It's got my colors in here, the logo and footer from the brand system. So yeah, it's just doing its thing. It's doing its thing. It's still cooking. It's still going. I like watching what it does, and sometimes I'll click and see what this has to say. Oh, read a file. If you click on Claude Chat, it'll tell you that it's thinking. And it's using my funnel design system skill. You don't have to have this skill, but I do have tons of skills. So that kind of makes it a little different. But you can still do this with no skills in your Claude Cowork. And again, this is Cowork, but you can do it in code, and you probably could do it in chat too. So all right, so it looks like it's completing it. Uh, let's see. And it says there's two notes. I use Play for display. Since Orange Avenue is a custom font, I can't load. Um, the post's own CTA points to Curated Passport Collective. Um, and I probably will change it around because, yeah, it makes sense that it should go to Curated Passport Collective. But let's open it and see. Let's see. Ooh, okay. 1 second. All right. So what I'm going to do now is share the screen. Okay. So I don't know what happened there, but I wanted to show you guys what it looks like. So it says right here, stop coming home empty. A simple 5-step way to design a trip around your actual rest, not a checklist that leaves you depleted. And you can scroll down to begin. And basically, it's like my blog posts. Here's the 5-step framework. Step 4, ask you some questions. Oh, that's cute. That's really cute. I like that. And then your 3 things. Now, if I was being fancy, I would add some confetti when you click the check mark or something. Something. And then here's the call to action down here. And because Claude has my brand system in here, you can click on my website, my community, my software as a service products, my books, all that's going to be at the footer. And yeah, so I like it. It's really cute. And what you can do is just, let me go back to Cowork here. And I can hit show in folder. And there it is in my outputs folder on my local drive. So if you wanted to actually deploy this, you can just go to, let's see, let me pull up. Let's see, not here. Okay, so you would just go to Netlify, or you can go to any place, that you can deploy. You can use Versal or whatever, but I'm using this for today. And you would just browse here. Now go to local disk. Um, Let me see. Would it be in program files? Oh, let me see if I can find it. Okay, so you could just drag it. Ooh. Just drag it here and drop it. I'm going to rename it so that it's a more, it's a better name than this. And let's see. And there it is, deployed. I just have to change the name, but there you go. Lead magnet in under 10 minutes. And thank you so much. If you like this video,